Hello XEC coin holders, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. The next pump will be about 50x profitable. You can see, guys, now a lot of people are getting huge profit from crypto market, and XEC coin holders are also taking a huge profit, guys. But guys, in this video I predicated eCash coin pump. I'm talking about the huge pump of eCash which is coming soon, guys. Very soon you found eCash is in the positive mode, so just hold for a long time, guys. Anyways, guys, before starting this video, please I suggest for all of you guys to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos, guys. The right now price of eCash in the market is about 0.000231 USD dollar. Other side, you can see today I'm very happy because Shiba Inu is also pumping. I'm also holding Shiba Inu, and also I'm holding eCash, guys. So that's why my both coin is in the positive changes. So that's really a good news for me, and I believe that also that is good news for all of you. Anyways, guys, if you look the more details about eCash, so you can see the fully diluted market cap is negative. But guys, you know what, my prediction is that guys, in the second week, possibility that the price will again starting huge pumping, guys, in the second week, guys. So the huge pump is coming soon. Be alert and get ready for this huge pump. Just hold and just enjoy. It's time to make a huge profit with eCash, guys. What you think? What's your opinion? What's your prediction about eCash? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.